Hello, my friends. How are you? I hope that you are well. I welcome you all to my online English channel. My name is Deshmukh Gajanan. My educational qualification is MA English B.Ed Net Set. The name of my channel is Journey of English. I request all of you to subscribe my channel. My channel is completely devoted to the study of English language and literature. Today we are going to study an important chapter of English grammar. The title of the chapter is Types of Adverbs. First of all, we need to understand what an adverb is. So, see my dear friends, here first of all we will try to understand what an adverb is. An adverb is a word which gives us more information about an adjective, verb or another adverb. तो यहाँ पे हमें समझने का है कि एडवर्ब क्या है. एक्चुअली एडवर्ब क्या है? एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो हमें एडजेक्टिव के बारे में या वर्ब के बारे में या दूसरे एडवर्ब के बारे में ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन देता है. There is one more definition of an adverb which I have written here. Please have a look at it. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of an adjective, a verb or another adverb. I have written a few examples here. Please look at them. This is a very good idea. Ram spoke loudly. Radhika reads quite clearly. In the first sentence, very is an example of an adverb. Why? Because it is giving us more information about an adjective good. यहाँ पे very जो word है वो adverb है. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें वह word good के बारे में ज़्यादा information दे रहा है. और good क्या है? यहाँ पे adjective है और very जो है वो adverb है. Ram spoke loudly. In this particular sentence, loudly is an example of an adverb. Why? Because loudly is providing us more information about a verb spoke. In the third sentence, quite is an example of an adverb which is giving us more information about another adverb clearly. So we will study the various types of adverbs here. The first kind of an adverb is adverb of manner. Let's study it. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs that show the way something happens are called adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner हमें बताते हैं कि पर्टिकुलर जो एक्शन है किस प्रकार से that particular action has taken place. See here, Ramesh drives carefully. In this particular sentence, carefully is an example of an adverb of manner. Rohan spoke hurriedly. Here, hurriedly shows the manner in which Rohan spoke. That's why hurriedly is an example of an adverb of manner. They fought bravely. Here, bravely tells us the manner in which they fought. That's why bravely is an example of an adverb of manner. Now let us study another type of an adverb. See here, adverbs of time. Adverbs that specify the time when an action happens are called adverbs of time. Let us study a few examples of adverbs of time. Priya met him yesterday. यहाँ पे yesterday जो है वह adverbs of time का example है. I have read it before. Here the word before is an example of an adverb of time. We must leave now. In this particular sentence, now is an example of an adverb of time. It is so simple. I hope that you are enjoying this particular topic with me. The third kind of an adverb is an adverb of degree. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs that show us how much or in what degree or to what extent things have occurred are called adverbs of degree. तो यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए, adverbs of degree हमें क्या बताते हैं? What degree, to what extent या how much things have occurred. For example, he is fully prepared for the job. In this particular sentence, fully is an example of an adverb of degree. Aditya is rather busy. Here rather is a word which tells us what degree or how much Aditya is busy. That's why rather is an example of an adverb of degree. she is extremely happy. Here the word extremely tells us how much, yeah, to what extent she is happy. That's why extremely is an example of an adverb of degree. This is so simple. I hope that you are getting everything. The fourth type of an adverb is an adverb of reason. So let us study its definition. Adverbs that explain the reason for the occurrence of something are called adverbs of reason. Adverbs of reason are also known as adverbs of purpose. Examples: I like Rohan because he is helpful. तो यहाँ पे देखिए मतलब रीजन क्या है. सी हियर, व्हाई डू आई लाइक रोहन? बिकॉज ही इज हेल्पफुल. सो हियर बिकॉज इज अ वर्ड which is an example of an adverb of reason. Ram is ill and therefore he cannot come to school. So in this particular sentence, therefore is an example of an adverb of reason or purpose. I was thirsty, so I drank water. In this particular statement, so is an example of an adverb of reason. Now, the fourth kind of an adverb is adverbs of place. So what do they mean? What is the definition of an adverb of place? We will try to study the definition. Adverbs that show where something happens are called adverbs of place. मतलब adverbs of place हमें क्या बताते हैं? Where something happens, मतलब किस जगह पे समथिंग हैपन्स वह हमें बताते हैं या दर्शाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स: सिट हियर. इन दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टेटमेंट हियर shows, what does it show? It shows the place. So that's why here is an example of an adverb of place. Boys are sitting outside. Outside is an example of an adverb of place. Very simple, my dear friends. The child followed his mother everywhere. In this particular statement, everywhere is an example of an adverb of place. Another kind of an adverb is an adverb of frequency. What are the adverbs of frequency? Let us study them. Adverbs that show how often an action occurs are called adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency हमें क्या बताते हैं? मतलब हाउ ऑफन एन एक्शन टेक्स प्लेस या हैपन, मतलब एखादी एक्शन कितनी बार अकर होती है या कितनी बार वह होती है, वह दर्शाने के लिए एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी का यूज होता है. जैसे कि ध्यान दीजिए, माई मदर ड्रिंक्स टी ट्वाइस अ डे. सो हियर ट्वाइस इज एन एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. व्हाई? बिकॉज दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्ड टेल्स अस what is the frequency of an action. So twice. He never makes mistakes. In this particular statement, never shows the frequency of making mistakes. That's why never is an example of an adverb of frequency. My brother seldom watches television at night. This statement is also very simple. In this particular statement, seldom shows the frequency of watching television. Therefore, we can say seldom is an example of an adverb of frequency. This chapter is very simple. I hope that you must have understood the clearly. I once again request all of you to subscribe my channel. My channel is completely devoted to the study of English language and literature. You are going to be benefited a lot if you subscribe my channel. I thank all of you for watching the video. Take care everyone. Bye everyone.